Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I've got a weird drag race for you. I'm sat in an Audi RS7, previous generation version. Next to me is another Audi. It's an Audi Aventador SV. Ha, that's what I did there, yeah. Audi owns Lamborghini. Very funny, Matt. Seems a bit of an odd matchup. This has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8. It's been tuned to 700 horsepower. More interesting is the fact that it's got 1,000 newton meters of torque, which is quite a lot of torque. It's a 4-wheel drive, obviously. You've got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and it's heavy, 1,930 kilos. That Aventador isn't the lightest either, 1,750 kilos, but it's got a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, 750 horsepower, 690 newton meters of torque, so up on horsepower, down on torque compared to this. It's got a 7-speed manual robotised thingy gearbox with a launch control system. All-wheel drive as well. Obviously, of course it is, it's an Audi. They're all-wheel drive, aren't they, the performance ones? No, I'm going to stop with those stupid jokes. Anyway, this car's worth about 40 grand. A tune on it's about 3 grand. That car there, brand new, was 315 grand. It's probably worth similar money now. It's held its value all right, that. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I don't know what's going to happen. It's probably not going to be clear-cut. You think that Lamborghini is going to win, but it might not. Now, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. That car's actually been provided by a chap called Phil Dixon from More Than Cars. That's his YouTube channel. Description for that is below. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's see if this is any slower than this car over there that's worth way, way more. Let's do it.
Buying a new car? Head to CarWow to get offers from the UK's top dealers. carwow.co.uk, the car buying comparison site.
Now, before we get into the race, let's just do the obligatory sound check. This first. Ooh, a bit farty. It's all right, huh? It's not going to sound as good as that, though. Let's hear the Lamborghini. Go on, Phil, rev your car. I think I lost that competition. Let's hope I can do better in the drag race. Let's do it. This spun up its wheels. He didn't even do anything. Phil, did you hold launch control for too long and it disengaged?
That's exactly what happened.
3. Oh, this is spinning up its wheels. Come on! I drove that Lamborghini! Wasn't expecting this. I don't think he was either. Destroyed him. He's coming back now though. This like just spun up all 4 wheels. I reckon you can do better than that.
I reckon I can as well.
Shall I give you another go? Maybe 3rd time lucky?
Go on, man, you're so kind.
3. Oh, we got... No. Oh, I cocked that time. Sorry, Phil, I cocked up. What happened was I forgot to put the stability off, and so it just killed the power when it spun up its wheels. God damn it. Right, come on, Watson. Come on, stability off. We're good to go.
3.
Got all the boost. Oh, good Lord, come on. Oh, it's up on the gear change. Lord, come on. I was ahead. Oh! The gear change on this just didn't change from 1st to 2nd. It did the time when you didn't manage to launch, but that time it didn't. It just went, yeah. And that's when you went ahead. Let's do another one. If it does it this time, it's the car's fault. At least we've both done 2 crap goes, then it's fair.
3.
Oh, good start. Oh, come on! Spinning up its wheels, come on! Come on! This is the decider! Oh, he's coming back now! Come on, please, come on! No! Well, after the battle of the failed launches, I think I launched better than you, but then you just had more power.
At the end of the day, sometimes brute force does win.
Yeah, rather than skill. Well, it wasn't much skill, I just lifted off the brake, to be fair. Finally, we got there, didn't we?
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini completed the standing quarter mile in 10.7 seconds, while the tuned Audi took 10.8 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race, 50 miles an hour. The car's in comfort and automatic mode. I'm going to count it in. We're going to see what happens. Come on, Lamborghini. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. Hell yeah! Oh no! Oh! He's going now. It was quite close though. Oh. You won that.
I feel both quite slow to respond on kickdown though.
Yeah, this wasn't great either. Yours didn't look too bad. Let's try something else. Okay, so now we're going to have a rolling race in sports mode with the cars locked in third gear. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, 1,000 Newton meters. Oh, the gear change on this is a bit sketch. Ah, Lamborghini's bloody had it. And he's pulling. And he's braking. 40 grand car, 300 grand car. You take your pick, and I can give people a lift. Just saying. Finally then, we're going to do the brake test. Full emergency stop when you hit the line from 70 miles an hour. I wonder which will win. Here's the line. Come on, left foot brake this, Matt. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is heavier. It's not a supercar. And it lost. It's 40 grand though, and like, what, a couple of grand for the tune? And it gave that Lamborghini a run for its money. I think it did rather well. I'd like to say thanks to Rob for lending me his car to thrash about against a Lamborghini. Thank you, Rob. Cheers, mate. Really appreciate it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know what other drag races you'd like to see in the comments below. And go check out other people's comments and give them a like as well, because the ones that get the most like will rise up to the top. We'll see them and we'll get them shot and filmed for you guys. All right? Follow me on Instagram if you want. It's @MattWatsonCars. Anyway, that's enough for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.